Hi there, Tansy here. I'm excited to share an upcoming crafting journey, the Crochet Sampler Blanket, and it's a crochet along. This is your chance to level up your game and your skills and create something truly stunning. And guess what? We'll achieve this together in just 6 videos. Plus, here's the exciting part. Yarn will be randomly chosen from the advent calendar to work on a stitch of our sampler crochet blanket. However, you have the creative freedom to select any color and any type of yarn. So, beyond crafting, this is an invitation to join a vibrant global community of crafting lovers. Share your journey, connect with hundreds of fellow makers from around the world, and let's weave our stories together through this incredible experience. Hi there! Are you ready for the 12 days of Christmas? So, after Christmas, we'll be starting to count the 12 days of Christmas. So, I'll be preparing this advent calendar that I made with goodies and stuff, and I'll show you what I got so you can make your own advent calendar. Isn't that exciting? First, I made this, and it was so much fun because I used a lot of scrap yarn. I made these little RVs from different colors. Alright, so the next thing I got for my calendars, first I went to Target, of course, and I got some candy, some icicles, and snowman, and some bears. They're all chocolate bears, and they're all from Lindt, so they will be so yummy. So from Amazon, for my tea, I got honey sticks. So it's gonna be so fun having honey in my tea. And of course, we need tea, right? So I got the tea. I like the best by date is printed here. It's also printed on the label that they have there. It's a blue ribbon. They all come in a little pouch, which has, looks like a winter picture. It's so pretty, and I'm gonna be using this one to carry my project, so 2 for 1. And there's a bunch of teas. There are like 30 bags of tea, and I will pick them randomly. They're Bigelow teas, and they're different and random flavors of tea, so I'll try to not look at the label of the tea. So whatever I pick, I'll just pick from here, and this will work perfectly for my calendar when I fill it in. So the next calendar I'll make is of course with yarn, and for that I wanted like festive pouches. So one option was to go and sew them myself, but then I had to go get yarn, fabric, and yeah, too much work. So let me grab my scissors. So I got drawstring bags. There it is. And they're also from Amazon. So they come with their air squished out. There it is. Oh, and there's a second bag. And I think these were 12. I didn't see a label on those. Yeah, so there should be 12. They look more. Well, I was planning for 12 anyway. So if there are more, that's good. So I think 3, 12. So there are 24. Oh, even better. So if you want to make a advent calendar with 24, you can definitely go for it. But I will be using only 12. So I'll be using 12 of them. And they all have different, like, look at this little face. Isn't that cute? Like Santa face. Also, they come 1, 2, 3, 4 from a design. Yeah. And look at this one. And they're not big, but I think they'll be big enough for my purposes. All right, we have snowflakes. Oh, and we have a snowman here, and a reindeer. No, the snowman and the reindeer. Oh, and a little bear. Looks like a little bear. Look at these cute eyes and nose. And they all have a very sparkly top. They're made from canvas type of fabric. Oh, and then the drawstring is from the top. There, just like this. And then in each of those bags, we'll have a little skein of yarn. And every day, I'll be pulling one skein and then I'll be using it. So I'll try to mix them up and they all come random. So it's gonna be a surprise for me. They're 12. I have 12 little skeins. It's a 3-weight yarn. And I will have a pattern for a blanket or a shawl type of blanket or a blanket type of shawl with different patterns. So these will be the colors I'll be using. It's a 3-weight yarn. It's on the label does not say what kind of type of yarn it is, but online it said 65% cotton and 35% acrylic. So it's a blend and it's very, very soft. It is so soft. So at first I was thinking of making like a lap blanket, but now that I think about how soft it is, it's gonna make a great shawl, just like this, maybe something to keep you cozy. It's gonna make a cozy little thing. They're 50 grams, so 1.7 ounces and 100 yards from what it shows here. 4.5 to 5.5 millimeters crochet hook and 375 to 4.5 millimeters a knitting needle that they recommend. But I think it's thinner. I think I can even go with 4 or 3.5. It's it depends how tighter you want your stitches to be. It says hand washable, but I think because of the cotton blend that's what they recommend. But that's never happening with me. I'm throwing everything in the wash. Pretty easy. All right, and the final thing that my kid is very excited to open is, look at this Kinder countdown calendar. And this is all the things we like when we go to Europe and we buy those Kinder egg surprises and whatnot that I think here they're illegal to import. So they don't have like toys here, but my kid gets to eat them, and she's above 3, so that's for sure. It's all safe with the toys, but this is very exciting. So tea and chocolates and yarn, and that's my happy place. That's all I need. All right, let's start assembling things. So I renumbered my little pockets for 12, and I will fold my tees in half so I don't see them, and I will put them just like that, and on the bottom ones I can put candy just like this, and they'll be so cute because only the heads will show. Look at this. How cute is that? And I'll put a honey stick. Oh, next to the bear we have a honey stick. I didn't think about that, but it's so cute. I will put all this yarn in my knitting backpack, and that's a great backpack to have to store your projects. It's quite big. It has little holes here, and here I love this one the best, is you can put all your stuff that you need to carry with you. For the purpose of this advent calendar, I will be picking it randomly. So I'm putting it upside down so I cannot tell which color, but I'll try not to peek as well. And here is all of my 12 little pieces of yarn. And it looks great. Apart from this pink, I cannot tell the other colors. Did I get them all? Yep. All right, so well, let's wait for Christmas to start opening this advent calendar. And all my calendars are ready with all the surprises inside waiting to be opened and start creating new things for the new year. And then on the last day of opening the calendar, we're going to be taking the tree down. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.